It's ready. Once you see the oil floating on top of the stew, that's the sign that the stew is cooked. So now we're going to beat it. So I'm going to eat it with white rice and plantain. And this is my white rice. You can eat it with anything, not only rice. Guys, I just want to let you know that I have changed the name of my channel. It was formerly Heritage Kitchen, but now is Kitchen Atlantic. So you're welcome to Kitchen Atlantic. So today I want to show you how I make my goat meat stew. I'm going to eat it with white rice and some veg in the rice. So I've got my ingredient here, which I would like to show you. I'm not cooking much today. If you've been following my video, you'll see that I've been cooking a lot of quantity. That's what I do. I cook so much and I put it in the house. But today I just want to do a short, a little bit of stew, not much. So this is what I've got, my goat meat. Come and see. So this is my goat meat here. This is the goat meat, and I've got my large pepper here. This is the pepper. So this is my Scotch bonnet and my onion. This is still the large pepper I already sliced, but I just left this one here so I can show you guys how it is. And I've got my garlic here, and this is my already diced ginger. So I'm going to blend all these things together. So now I'm going to chop my onion. Then let me quickly pour the goat meat into the pot. If you've been following my channel, you know that I normally season my meat before I start cooking. I have to season it before I even start recording. So this goat meat has been seasoned already. We're just going to turn the heat on. Then I'll blend that's it. Yeah, here we go. So I'm going to just quickly dice this onion. So this is the garlic. I'm going to just pour it inside the garlic. That's the garlic. So I'll put this one in the pot. So now I'm going to add a little bit of water, blend the onion and the garlic and the ginger together. That's it. So I'm going to pour the blended garlic, onion and ginger into the already boiling goat meat. Let's just give it a little quick stir. If you notice, I haven't added any water in the goat meat. It's been seasoned already. So, but I'm just going to add one Maggi cube. I don't use salt to cook. You can see it's only just the all-purpose seasoning. So let me just allow it to cook for like 20 minutes. I'm not using fresh tomatoes. So this is my plum that I'm using. I'm not using fresh tomatoes. So we're going to blend the pepper and the large red pepper together. Blend the onion together. I'm still going to blend the plum, but not too smooth. blend it from now. Should be ready by now. You can see. So when the goat meat should be ready, I'm just going to take it away from the pot, then heat the pot and add some oil in it. So guys, now the oil is hot, so we're going to start with the stew now. So I forgot to show you guys, I've got my tomato puree here. As you can see, if you want to preserve your tomato, it's not safe for you to preserve it inside the tin, so you can take it out and add a little bit of oil. As you can see, this is oil that I added to it, then put it in the fridge, then it will be okay. So now I'm going to add the onion. And add the tomato puree. So we have to keep stirring it until it's cooked, because if it's not cooked, it's going to have this sour taste that you wouldn't like. It's not going to make the stew taste okay. So we keep stirring it until it's cooked. The reason for stirring it is not to make it cook, it's to stop it from getting burnt at the bottom. So you just keep stirring it so it doesn't get burnt. So you can see when it's cooked, this is how it should look. Look. This is it. See? So now we're going to add the blended plum and the large pepper. And the red large pepper and the Scotch bonnet, they're all here. So we stir it. So we're going to leave it to cook for about 15 minutes. So we'll cover it and leave it to cook for 15 minutes. So I just tried to fry the goat meat today. Most time I roast my meat, my chicken, my fish. I do most of roasting than frying, but I do fry once in a while. So frying the goat meat now. When it's ready, we're going to pour it inside the stew. So it's 15 minutes now. Let's check. Oh, this is lovely. So what we're going to do now, we're going to add the water, the stock, the goat meat inside. As you see, I don't normally use much oil, so it's not that oily. So I'll add the goat meat now. So we're going to cover it, then we'll come back. So now I'm going to add the Maggi. Add 2 cubes. And my curry powder. Not too much. Then I add a little bit of the all-purpose seasoning. Just add, this should be okay. And I'll give it a stir. Then cover it for another 15 minutes and it should be ready. So guys, it's 15 minutes now. The stew should be ready. I need to turn off the heat. Ooh. It's ready. Once you see the oil floating on top of the stew, that's a sign that the stew is cooked. So now we're going to dish it. So this is my goat meat stew. It looks really, really nice, as you can see. Goat meat stew. So I'm going to eat it with white rice and plantain. And this is my white rice. So let's give it a test. Oh. It's really tasty. You can eat it with anything, not only rice. That's really tasty. I can't eat rice without plantain. So all my rice I have to eat with plantain. That's how I enjoy it. So the stew is really, really tasty. So I want to thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for subscribing. Those of you that have subscribed, please, 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 please subscribe to my channel. You learn more about my cooking. I have a very good technique of cooking. I use less salt. I don't even use salt at all in my cooking, and this food is still very, very tasty. So please keep following me on my channel so you know how to eat healthily, cook without salt. I use Maggi. I don't even use much Maggi. I use all-purpose seasoning and little bit of Maggi. All these things contain salt, and the key to a tasty food is in the way you season your meat. Always season your meat before you start cooking. If you notice, I always season my meat before I even start recording. I've seasoned my meat down. This allows the meat, all the ingredients, for the meat to absorb the ingredient very well. And by the time you cook it, it will be tasty. You don't even need much seasoning anymore. So I do not buy the idea of people just washing their meat, put in the pot, put salt, put Maggi. There's no way the taste can be the same as in when you season your meat down. If it's for chicken, I season mine overnight. And when you use these things to cook, the stock you get from the chicken or the meat, whether you want to cook fried rice or jollof rice, the stock you get from these things when you season them down before cooking it, my dear, just keep following me on my channel. I know you will not regret it. Thank you for spending your time to watch my video. Thank you, and God bless you. Please, please, please subscribe. I wish you can come and enjoy with me. It's really tasty.